What's up, dog? This is the Crosman SNR 357. Sorry, 357. 357. Yes. What SNR means? Short nose revolver. Anyway, right. Still, this one not too bad. Okay. There's no white prints. I think a little bit white. I marked with a blue pen. Okay, it's not really obvious. Okay, everything's good and really convenient. You need the seal too. Everything is in the grip. Open like this. Okay, they open. Put seal tool. Twist it. Okay, that's all. Okay. What? Just is good and then it's not good. Sometimes we put back, has some problem. Little bit problem, okay, for me. Sometimes they get loose while shooting because shaking thing. Alright, this one become loose like this. Okay, like this. So anyway, if you have a really big hand, should not be a problem. Alright, this one can be used for BBs and also pellet. Okay, but I never shot pellet. They need different shell. Okay, if you want to try pellet. Okay, BB load from front. Okay, like this. Like this. Okay, but I believe for the pellet you have to load from the back. Okay, it's not interchangeable. Okay, you have to change the shell. Okay, I have both. Okay, but I'm lazy to do the what's called pellet. Maybe next time let's do pellet. Okay, see, people say pellet may be more accurate than the BB. Okay, everything look like real. See, oh, the front side is fixed. The rear side is adjustable. For me, it's not really accurate. But yesterday I saw a YouTube video. Well, the guy showed pretty good. Also, this one single double action. All right. Let's try single action first. Okay. One cartridge can shoot a lot, I think. 6-7 cylinders. After load like this, can you see? Oh, I don't shake like this anymore. People say you damage your gun. Yeah. This is pretty cheap. Okay, they're really heavy. All metal. The grip is plastic probably. Okay, this one maybe is plastic also. Really good. I think you can get it from Amazon on sale. Okay, 40 bucks or 80 bucks. I don't remember. I bought on sale. Okay, sometimes on sale, sometimes not, but most time it's on sale. Anyway, let's try a single action. Yo, pretty accurate. I don't know that. Whoa! I was wrong though. Whoa! Every single shot hit it. Oh, this one missed. I tried to shoot on left, but shoot on the right. It's okay. Wow, pretty good. Easy to load. Okay, for me, I just tell people this is shells, not like magazines. Just put BB. Okay, I put a BB on a thing like this. Okay, I just use shell, push down. Okay, that's all. I have 6 shells. If you want to have like a real thing, put on your belt. You can buy 100 of them, load at one time, and yeah, do it. But for me, it takes time. Oh, today is what's called daylight savings ended, right? It's good. Let's try double action though. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, that guy is really very good. I like it. I believe. Oh, missed a little bit. because I have to get used to this double action, the trigger thing. Okay, I'm not ready. I'm not ready for aiming. It just shoot. Okay. I think I only shot 5 of them. Anyway. For revolver, just one thing you miss from those like pistols. This one does not have blowback or recoil, right? But anyway, if you like a look and feel, you can turn everything like real, yeah. So you shoot on the right, yeah. Pretty accurate actually. Yeah, no more. You can hear from sound. If you don't remember how many you shot, okay. When there's no BB, it's boom like that. Right. See my dog? He's always there. Other dogs, my other dog, scared of this sound. He doesn't care. He's like human, you know. The way he sleeps and everything. He thinks he's human. We are dogs. Try to be in charge, and that's what happened. How many cylinder? How many cylinder got? 2, 3, right? It's number 4. I think I shoot 7 at least. Rainbow give you accuracy, not give you wings. Give you accuracy. I have double action now. Shoot off far right. You're pretty accurate, okay? You cannot complain too much for BB guns. Every time I put like last time I put a Umarax, people say, it's a BB gun. Okay, sure. I've heard Umarax make real weapon. Like this one, I put a Crosman. Does Crosman make a real revolver like this? People are crazy. God is good. Beer's great. People are crazy. Shoot the live one. Maybe you cannot see clear, but I can hear sound out here, right? That's sound. Pretty accurate. It's hard. You have to control the trigger the way when hit there and then pull it. Okay. I got 2 CO2, so I try to play. I'm just shoot a video for 1 CO2. I think I have another video long time ago. Talk about the pros and cons or something of pellet and BBs. I'm not sure. I check. Someone doing barbecue, man. Shoot the small one, the Revolver one, in the middle. Ah, missed it. Ah. Ah, missed. You can feel lose kind of lose power already. Not bad. Right? 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 What's my dog? My dog used to be scared for fireworks, but not this one. Another one, and inside. Right now, the kind of guy used to it. Let me do a single action, try to shoot them. Yeah, see, SNRs are really accurate. Then that means that's my problem. When I put a trigger, I shake it. This is not my problem. Very easy to load. Five or six. Try one more. Oh, that's it. Maybe I need to go to the range to shoot my real guns one day. Since the pandemic, never been there for 3 years. Just lazy to go out. Backyard shooting is the same. It's pretty accurate, actually. Don't bark, okay? Neighbor's dog, come on. So dogs bark to each other. So they want to be a friend or they try to do something else. Huh? You know that? When they meet, they'll smell each other's butt. You see? The dog. The dog. Hey, hey, come on. Wait. Wait. You. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey. Hey. He listens now. Because last time I educated him. Come on. Hey. Hey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty accurate. Yesterday, I look YouTube, the guy is shooting the balloons. Balloons much bigger than this. It's hard to miss anyway. If you buy this type of bullet, everyone's different. Okay, some load from front, some load from the back. Last week I did Magnum, right? I think that's loaded from back. Okay, getting the butt. Well, should pretty. Wow. 10 times. I never adjust the size, by the way, okay? So it's all box kind of like this. That means they did a good job. Pretty accurate. Single action. Mosquitoes coming. Maybe I just shoot one CO2. Play long enough. I think this type of gun they can shoot a lot with one CO2 because they don't have to waste CO2 on those blowback actions. You know, that's why. You know, just use like air gun, just shoot a baby, right? So yeah, you got one thing, you lose something. So. I think it's almost gone. Yeah, so if you like this, just buy one. Okay. It's not really expensive like other ones. Okay, costs more than $100. This one's kind of affordable. Okay, and really good looking. Look, see, and good feel. Okay. It's not cowboy's revolver, right? Cowboy don't use this kind of revolver. Okay, if you want to know how many cylinders I shot. I lost count. Okay. You can keep track on it if you are still watching it. Maybe more than 10. You can shoot a lot. It's good. Yeah, well, that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, let's try one more. I want to see the beginning and the end. And this is the end. I just found out, seems like nobody do the cover band like the Doors. Okay. Have you heard about the band the Doors? Maybe you don't know the name, but the famous song is "Light My Fire." Come on, baby, light my fire. Got higher. You cannot sing higher on the television. That's what they say back then. Mosquito's still alive. It's good. I got long sleeve. Yeah, that's it. Shooting ample anyway. Oh, that's it.